Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, this is our first meeting for tonight. And you will learn English with me tonight. And before we start our lesson today, we have to pray first. Okay, before we start our lesson today, let's pray together. Pray, begin. Okay, finish. Okay, because this is our first meeting, so we have to introduce. I will introduce myself. Let me introduce myself. My name is Wawan Anwar Musadat. Just call me Kak Wawan. And I live in Bekasi. And I teach English and science in Omega PhD in here. Okay, so you can call me Kak Wawan. Okay, now I want you to introduce yourself. We will start from Nabila Dwi. Nabila Dwi, can you hear my voice? Nabila Dwi?
Iya, Kak.
Okay, Nabila Dwi, please introduce yourself because this is our first meeting. Just mention your name and your address and your school, please.
My name is Nabila Dwi Prastistiadi from Jonggol, school MTS Lukmanul Hakim.
MTS Tengah Hakim. Okay, you are from Jonggol. Okay, nice to meet you, Nabila. And then Atra. Atra, can you hear my voice?
Yes. Yeah.
Yes? Okay. Atra, please introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Atra Sulianti. I'm from Bandung. I'm school MTS Islahul Amanah.
Sorry, where do you come from?
Bandung.
Bandung. Oh, you are from Bandung. Okay, nice to meet you, Atra. And the last, Muhammad Gasan Putra. Can you hear my voice, Gasan?
Yeah.
Okay, Gasan, please introduce yourself, please.
My name is Muhammad Gansan. I study at Al Qalam.
Sorry, where do you come from, Gasan?
Kendari.
Oh, Kendari, from Kalimantan. Okay, nice to meet you, Gasan.
Sulawesi.
Oh yeah, sorry, Sulawesi. Sorry, I think Kendari is from in Kalimantan or Sulawesi. Okay, but still Indonesia. Kendari is still Indonesia. Okay, because it's our first meeting, I want to ask you, what do you have learned in school in grade 8 from Nabila? What have you learned at grade 8?
Kurang ngerti, Kak.
What have you learned? Kamu sudah belajar apa? What have you learned in grade 8? Jadi di kelas 8 ini kamu udah belajar apa? Bahasa Inggrisnya apa? Jadi, what about? Jadi tentang apa? Your English study in your school. Jadi kalau belajar bahasa Inggrisnya apa di sekolah? Belajar apa sekarang?
Kalau sekarang sih masih kayak tentang apa ya? tentang kayak paru perkenalan gitu. Soalnya di sini jarang belajar bahasa Inggris.
Okay. Never mind. But in grade 7, what have you learned? Jadi di kelas 7-nya kamu belajar apa aja?
Aku belajar kayak
Apa?
lupa lagi, Kak.
Lagi. Okay, never mind. Atra, can you hear my voice? What have you learned in grade 8? Atra, what have you learned in grade 8? Jadi kamu belajar apa Atra di kelas 8? Kan udah you have learned for more than 3 weeks. Kamu udah belajar lebih dari 3 minggu. So, what have you learned? Kamu udah belajar apa? Gasan? And you? Okay. So, do you understand if I speak English? Or I speak in bahasa? Apakah saya pakai ngomong bahasa Inggris atau bahasa Indonesia aja kira-kira?
Suaranya putus-putus, Kak.
Oh, suara putus-putus. Oh, sinyalnya berarti. Sinyal. Wait a moment. I will move. Coba saya pindah deh. Oke. Oke, for the first time. Coba untuk pertama, I will send quizzes link. Jadi saya akan kirim kamu link quizzes. This is for pretest, untuk sebagai pretest hari ini. And today, hari ini, you will learn about can and will. Di hari ini kamu akan belajar tentang can and will. Both of them is a model. Jadi keduanya itu adalah model. Kalau dalam bahasa Inggris namanya model auxiliary atau kata kerja bantu. Jadi so I will send you the link and I will send in chat box. Do you understand what I mean? Jadi saya akan ngirim quizzes, link quizzes. Kamu kerjakan dulu. Saya akan pandu langsung. And after that, we will discuss about can and will. Setelah itu kita akan bahas tentang can and will. And then, in the last, di bagian akhir, we will discuss about the question in this quizzes. Okay, I have sent you a quizzes link. You can open the link and then you can play. And after that, we will discuss about that. can you start to play in quizzes? Okay, next question. Okay, it's very easy. Next question. Okay, good. Next question. Okay, good. Next question. The fifth question. Pertanyaan kelima. Okay, it's very easy. Next question. Okay, good. Next question. Okay. Okay, the question number 13. The last question. Okay, finish. And the leader for the quiz is Gasan. Okay, congratulations, Gasan. Okay, thank you for playing. And then I will share the material. And the material is about can and will. Have you learned about that? Can and will? Gasan. Have you learned about can and will?
Pernah.
Pernah. What's in bahasa can?
I can drive a car.
Yes. And Nabila, can you make a sentence using will? Or Atra? Atra? Using will. Can you make a sentence using will?
Kurang ngerti, Kak.
Coba buat kalimat menggunakan will. Pernah have you learned about that? Pernah belajar itu nggak? Will. Not yet? Belum?
Belum.
Oke deh. This is in your material is the second chapter. Jadi di materi kamu ini sebagai bab kedua. Karena the first chapter is only for introduction. Jadi bagian pertama hanya untuk perkenalan aja. Jadi bagian pertama di materi kamu. So can and will you will find in the second chapter. Kamu akan temukannya di bagian kedua atau bab kedua. Oke. Let me share the presentation or the material. Oke, have you seen my presentation? Kamu sudah melihat presentasi saya?
Sudah.
Sudah? Oke. We will learn about can and will. And I have a title, I can and I will. Can you speak English? Gasan, can you speak English?
Tidak terlalu.
Can you speak English?
Tidak terlalu.
Yes or no?
No.
No. No. Atra, can you speak English? Atra, do you hear my voice? Can you speak English? Or Nabila, can you speak English? Yes or no? Yes or no? Can you speak English? Yes, I can, or no, I cannot. Can you speak English?
No.
Gasan, no? Gasan say no to. Jadi Gasan bilang no juga. Kalau and you Atra, can you speak English? Yes or no? No is a word in English. No itu sebuah kata dalam bahasa Inggris. So, you have spoken in English. Kamu sudah berbicara dalam bahasa Inggris. Jadi kamu bisa bahasa Inggris. Tadi no itu bahasa apa? Gasan, no itu bahasa apa?
Tidak.
Enggak, no ya bahasa apa? Bahasa Indonesia atau bahasa Inggris?
Bahasa Inggris.
Nah, berarti so you can speak English. Jadi kamu bisa ngomong bahasa Inggris. No itu bahasa Inggris kan? Nabila juga sama. No itu bahasa Inggris. Atau
Bisa
juga
tapi
kalau
masih
bilang no
kumat kamu, Kak.
ya berarti bisa kan? Semua orang bisa bahasa Inggris. Apalagi orang Indonesia itu terkenal tidak terlalu kesulitan dengan aksen bahasa Inggrisnya. Beda dengan kalau orang Jerman atau orang Jepang itu kalau ngomong bahasa Inggris agak kesulitan. Kalau kita tidak. Jadi sekali lagi, everybody in Indonesia can speak English. Jadi semua orang, everyone in Indonesia can speak English. Yes or no? Yes is English, no is English. Jadi ya itu yes itu bahasa Inggris, no itu bahasa Inggris. Jadi semua orang bisa. Nah, dan I will. Jadi saya akan. I can and I will. Saya bisa dan saya akan. Jadi kita akan belajar bahasa Inggris dan kamu akan bisa berbicara bahasa Inggris. Yang penting pede. Jadi mau salah mau benar nanti just practice. Jadi praktis aja. Jadi ucapin aja, latihan aja. Don't be shy. Itu kuncinya. Jangan malu. Do you know Vicky Prasetyo? Kamu tahu Vicky Prasetyo?
No.
Tahu kan? Benar kan? When he start his career, ketika dia mulai karirnya dia, he speak English badly. Dia ngomong bahasa Inggrisnya dengan banyak orang yang ledek. Wah, buruk dengan buruk. Tapi terkenal, dia pede aja. Tapi lama-lama saya lihat kesini-sini dia makin bisa ngomong bahasa Inggrisnya. Dia pede. Nah, biarin aja. Jadi kamu pun kalau salah sedikit atau grammarnya jangan dipikirin, pokoknya ngomong aja. Terus kamu kalah sama Vicky Prasetyo. Okay, so you must confident with yourself. Kamu harus percaya dengan diri kamu. You can and you will speak English. Kamu akan dan kamu bisa ngomong bahasa Inggris. Jadi ini topik-topik kita can and will. Can in bahasa it means bisa. Will in bahasa it means akan. Okay, can. Next, we'll learn about can and cannot. Can and cannot. Okay, Nabila.
Ya, kenapa Kak?
Can you read the first picture? They can dance. Can you repeat me? They Nabila or
Can
together
dance.
deh. They can dance. Okay, now we will read together. He cannot play the piano. Together, repeat after me. He cannot play the piano. He can play football. He can swim and he can skate. Nah, can in here, can di sini is to show ability. Jadi can di sini untuk menunjukkan ability, kemampuan. In the first picture, they can dance. Mereka bisa menari. The second, he cannot play the piano. So the picture is guitar, not piano. And the third, he can play football. Mereka bisa bermain bola. And the fourth, he can swim. The last picture, he can skate. Nah, those picture is show about ability. Jadi gambar-gambar ini menunjukkan kemampuan. Okay, I will ask you from Gasan. Gasan, can you dance?
No, I can. No, I
No?
cannot.
No, I cannot. No, I cannot. Okay. Nabila, can you play guitar? Can you play guitar? Or Atra? Atra,
Ya,
can you play football?
I can a little.
Can you? Oh, you can a little. Okay, Nabila, can you play guitar?
Maksudnya
Can you play gitar? Bisakah kamu bermain gitar?
no, tidak.
No, no,
Iya,
I cannot. No, no. You can repeat after me, Nabila? No, no,
no,
I cannot.
no, I cannot.
Cannot. Or
Cannot.
sometimes, kadang-kadang, cannot is pronounced, diucapkannya bisa can't. Jadi bisa juga kadang-kadang diucapkannya can't. I can't. Jadi can't, bukan not can but can. Can in here same with cannot. Jadi kadang-kadang diucapkannya pakai can't. He can't play piano. Nah, kadang-kadang diucapkannya pakai can't. But it can be cannot or can. Oke. Gasan. Please tell to us about your ability. For example, I will give example first. For example, I can teach English. Jadi saya kasih contoh dulu ya, misalnya. I can teach English. I can play football. I can swim. I can ride a motorcycle. Coba. Oke, Gasan, coba buat atau your ability. Tell to us your ability. Coba 4 kemampuan kamu. 4 aja deh, jangan banyak-banyak. 4 aja, coba.
I can play a football. I can swim. I can drive a motorcycle and I can drive a bicycle.
Oke. Thank you, Gasan. Nabila, please tell to us your ability. Jadi tolong kasih tahu kami.
Suaranya putus-putus, Kak.
Oh, putus-putus, sorry. Tolong kasih tahu kami, tell to us about your abilities, tentang kemampuan kamu. For your abilities, 4 kemampuan kamu coba. Jadi kamu bisa apa? Tadi Gasan bilang he can play football. Jadi Gasan bilang dia bisa main bola. How about you? Kalau kamu bisa apa? Bisanya apa?
He can swimming.
No, I. Talk about yourself. Jadi ngomong tentang kamu. Jadi
I can swim. Itu gimana sih?
Yes. Good. It's good. Next.
Oh.
Another your abilities. Ya, yang lain, kemampuan yang lain kamu apa lagi? Nabila, apa lagi? Masa baru 1? 4. Your abilities. Kemampuan kamu coba. Apa aja? Come on, Nabila. You have said that you can swim. And another abilities? What's your another abilities? Okay, I will give you to think, Nabila. Now, next, Atra. Please tell us your ability. Atra, can you hear my voice? Nah.
Yeah.
Please tell to us your abilities. Coba bilang, ceritain ke kita, kamu bisanya ngapain aja?
I can cooking,
And then, apa lagi?
badminton, and I can
Okay.
swimming, and I can drawing.
Okay, you can draw. Okay, good. Thank you, Atra. Next, Nabila. 3 more. Tadi kamu Nabila 3 lagi, baru 1 tadi. 3 lagi. Ayo, apa lagi kira? Nabila, can you hear my voice?
Iya, Kak.
Ya, coba kira-kira kamu bisa ngapain lagi?
Aku
Can you
bisa
cook?
buat.
Can you cook?
No. No.
No. Hmm, can you sing?
No.
No. So, what's your ability? Jadi kemampuan kamu apa? Bisanya apa?
Badminton, volley.
So, I can, coba, the complete
I
sentence.
can badminton.
I can play badminton, and then apa lagi?
I can volleyball.
Hmm. Okay, enough. Now, we will tell about our inability. Jadi setelah ini kita akan membahas tentang yang kita nggak bisa apa. So, we will use cannot. Jadi sekarang kita bahas yang kita nggak bisa. Kita pakainya cannot. For example, I will start from me. For example, I cannot ride a car. I cannot cook. And then I cannot fly. And then I cannot ride a boat. Nah, itu saya nggak bisa itu tadi tuh. Coba, Gasan. So tell to us your inability yang kamu nggak bisa, please.
I cannot play the piano. I cannot dance. I cannot skate, and I cannot drive a car.
Okay, thank you, Gasan. How about you, Nabila? Tell to us your inability yang kamu nggak bisa.
I cannot cook. I
Then?
cannot dance. I cannot piano. Ya kan?
Play piano. Yes.
Ya. Terus
The last one? Satu lagi?
I cannot football.
Okay, you cannot play football. Okay,
Yeah.
because thank you, Nabila. It's good. Nah, itu bisa ngomong bahasa Inggris. Pede aja. Atra,
Yeah.
what's your inability? Yang kamu nggak bisa apa? Yang belum bisa, yang kamu nggak bisa apa?
I cannot sing.
Sing, and then?
I cannot dance.
Okay. What else?
Cannot
Lagi?
skate.
Skate. Yes? And the last one? The last one?
Cannot play guitar.
Sorry, can you repeat the last one? Kamu bisa ulangi yang terakhir tuh tadi apa?
I cannot play guitar.
You can't play. Okay, good. Now, I will ask ability to one of you, and then you must ask an ability to others. Jadi saya akan bertanya. Jadi kamu membuat pertanyaan ke satu orang, nanti teman setelah itu orang tersebut akan nanya ke yang lain. Jadi misalnya, for example, I will ask Atra, for example, Atra, can you swim? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, now Atra, please ask something to Gasan about his ability. Coba tanya ke Gasan tentang kemampuan dia. Terserah kamu nanya apa, kayak can apa terserah. Tugasan, ke Gasan coba. Kemana Atra?
Gasan, can you draw it?
Gasan, can you draw?
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can. Okay, good. Gasan, now ask to Nabila. Coba nanya ke Nabila.
Can you drive a car?
Nabila, can you drive a car?
No.
No, I cannot.
Oh iya.
No, I cannot. Oke, Nabila, now ask to Atra. Coba tanya ke Atra.
Gimana, Kak?
Misalnya, for example, can you bla 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 bla? Can you speak English? Nah, gitu tadi. Atau can you bla bla bla? It's up to you. Serah.
Can you play football?
Atra, can you play football?
I cannot.
Okay, yes. Yes or no? Okay, good. Can is used to show ability. Jadi sekali lagi can itu bisa digunakan untuk menunjukkan kemampuan. Beside that, di samping itu, can also is used to ask help. Jadi can itu juga bisa digunakan untuk meminta tolong. For example, Atra, can you unmute your microphone? Nah, can you unmute your microphone? Nah, bisakah kamu? Nah, itu minta tolong. Jadi meminta seseorang, ask someone to do something. Jadi sekali lagi, can is also is used to ask help or ask someone to do something. Jadi minta seorang buat ngelakuin sesuatu. For another example, Gasan,
Yeah.
can you speak to your parents? Sorry. Can you take the water?
Yes, I
Can you
can.
take the water?
Yes, I can.
Ya, itu berarti bukan ambil tapi ambilin minumnya. Nah, segelas minuman maksudnya itu. Jadi sekali lagi can itu selain ability bisa juga digunakan to ask help untuk meminta tolong. Nah, you can use can from now. Jadi sekali lagi kamu bisa gunakan can dari sekarang. Nanti kalau kamu setelah ini after this lesson kamu you can practice. Kamu bisa latihan. Oh, pakai can. Nanya ke emaknya atau nanya ke ibunya atau nanya ke ayahnya. Oke, next. Nah, can be in negative and can be a question and can also in affirmative. Nah, jadi bisa sebagai pernyataan, sanggahan, pertanyaan. Nah, for example, tadi I can cook, you can dance, he can play, she can swim, it can run, we can sing, they can walk. This is in affirmative. Ini sebagai pernyataan. This is statement in positive. But tapi can is also be formed in negative. For example, I cannot cook, I cannot dance. Cannot can be abbreviate, bisa disingkat tadi pakai kata can't. Cannot bisa disingkat dengan kata can't. I can't. Nah, and yes no question, can is in the beginning. Jadi can-nya di bagian awal. Can she swim, can it run? Can-nya di bagian awal. If you want to use can as a question. Jadi kalau kamu pakai can sebagai pertanyaan, can-nya di depan. Tadi kamu udah bisa tadi udah bisa. Can you? Nah, itu udah termasuk pertanyaan. Yang bentuknya yes no question. Nah, if the question is about yes or no, so your answer it can be yes, yes I can, yes you can, yes we can, or no you cannot, we cannot. Pokoknya kalau depannya can, pertanyaannya jawabannya yes atau no juga. Nah, I think you have understood about this. Saya pikir kamu udah ngerti tadi. Kalau tadi praktek tadi. Tadi kita sudah praktekkan tentang ini, saya yakin ini nggak ada masalah. Oke, speak up, ngomong lagi. I will move. Oke, look at the pictures. Coba perhatikan gambarnya. Perhatikan gambarnya. There are 6 pictures. Ada 6 gambar. And we must speak about the picture. Kita bisa ngomong tentang gambarnya. But it's about ability, tentang ability. For example, kayak tadi deh, misalnya, for the first, I will ask Atra. It's about the second picture, ini tentang gambar kedua. Atra, can you play drum?
No, I can't.
Can you play drum?
No,
No, I cannot. Complete. Can you repeat? Can you play drum?
no, I can't.
No, I cannot. Okay, good. Now, Atra, ask to Gasan about third picture, gambar ketiga. It's about singing, tentang kemampuan menyanyi. Okay, Atra, please ask Gasan. Ask to Gasan, please. Coba Atra, nanya ke Gasan tentang gambar nomor 3.
Gazan, can you sing? Oh, singing?
Gasan, can you sing?
No, I cannot.
No, I cannot. Okay. Next, Gasan, please ask to Nabila about the fourth pictures. It's about dance, please.
Can you dance?
Nabila?
No, I cannot. No, I can't.
Okay, good. Okay, Nabila, ask to Atra about the fifth picture. Nabila, please ask to Atra. Coba nanya ke Atra about fifth picture, gambar kelima. Nabila?
Can you play football?
Atra, can you play football?
No, I can't.
Okay, no, I cannot. Okay, next activities. Okay, have you question? Do you have a question about Ken? Kamu punya pertanyaan tentang Ken? Do you have a question about Ken? Have you understood about Ken? Kamu udah paham tentang Ken?
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can. Coba tadi Ken beside as ability. Jadi Ken tadi selain sebagai untuk kemampuan, what's the another function? Apa fungsi yang lainnya? Coba tadi Gasan. Fungsi yang lainnya apa?
bisa meminta pertolongan.
Meminta tolong. Can you give to us an example about can as asking help? Coba kamu bisa kasih contoh ke kita can sebagai meminta tolong. Coba contohin. Coba kasih contoh satu aja ke kita.
Can you tell me how to answer this question?
The question. Okay, good. And Atra, can you make another example about can as asking help? Atra, coba kasih contoh lain. Can sebagai meminta tolong. Coba apa?
Can you turn off the light?
Can you turn off the light? Okay, it's very good. Nabila, can you give me another example about can as asking help? Jadi as can sebagai minta tolong. Tadi gimana caranya? Contohnya coba. Can you blah blah blah? Can you help me? Can you take? Can you turn off? Can you switch off? Nah, jadi banyak. Kamu bisa gunakan. Can you help me? Nanti you can practice. Okay. Now we will learn about will. 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 Will is used to show prediction or something will happen in future. Jadi will is used to show prediction or plan. Jadi atau rencana. Prediksi atau rencana or something will happen in future. Sesuatu yang terjadi di masa depan. For example, I will go to office tomorrow. Saya akan pergi ke kantor besok. That's a plan. Itu sebuah rencana. Besides that, will is also can be used to ask help. Jadi will juga bisa digunakan untuk meminta tolong. For example, coba. Nabila, can you practice for the first picture? Kamu bisa coba latihan untuk ngomong untuk gambar yang pertama?
Yang itu bukankah yang awal itu?
Sorry. Iya, yang gambar pertama tadi. Sorry. Will you help me? Ya, Udin will help coba.
Udin,
Ya.
will you Udin, will you help me to bring to book?
To bring this book. Okay, sure. Okay, good. Coba. Atra, the second picture. Please read the sentence. Coba baca kalimatnya.
Will you come to my
Ya, will you come to my party? Nah. Good. Gasan, the third picture.
Nina, will you go to the canteen with me? Let's go.
Okay, let's go. In the third and second picture, jadi di gambar kedua dan ketiga, will in here also used as invitation. Jadi will di sini di bagian 2 dan 3 juga digunakan as invitation sebagai ajakan, undangan. Jadi, sebagai invitation. Will you come to my party? Itu kayak mengundang kan? Bisa kamu datang ke pesta saya? Nah, setelah itu bisa juga sebagai untuk mengajak orang. And the fourth picture, Benny, will you close the window? Is for asking help. Will you please pass the salt? Sama, ini juga untuk meminta tolong. Sekali lagi, will itu untuk rencana, juga bisa digunakan untuk meminta tolong. Jadi selain tadi can, kamu juga bisa menggunakan kata will. Will you help me to turn off your microphone? Nah, itu bisa. Okay, now let's speak up again. Kita ngomong lagi. For the first picture, you can read the sentence. Will you read a novel? No, I will not. Nah, coba sekarang kita tadi bergantian. For the first, I will ask Atra about the second picture. Atra, will you read a fable? Atra, will you read a fable for me?
Yes, I will.
Yes, I will. Okay, next, Atra, please ask to Gasan using will. Coba, naik Gasan menggunakan will. Di will you, bla 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 bla. It's about meeting invitation. Tentang undangan rapat. Misalnya kalau in bahasa, akankah kamu datang ke rapat tersebut? Nah, dalam bahasa Inggris gimana, Atra? Coba naik ke Gasan. Come on, Atra. Let's speak up.
Will you come to the meeting?
Okay, will you come to the meeting, Gasan?
No,
Yes or
I
no?
will not. No, I will
No?
not.
No, I will not. Okay, good, Gasan. Next, Gasan, please ask to Nabila about the fourth picture, tentang gambar keempat.
Will you come to the birthday party?
Yes, I
Nabila?
will.
Yes, I will. Okay, Nabila, please ask to Atra about the fifth picture. The picture is about television, tentang televisi. For example, ask Atra to turn off the TV. What do you say? If you want Atra to turn off the TV. Coba, kamu ngomong kalau Atra pengen matiin TV. Atau kamu minta Atra untuk matiin TV. Coba, kamu ngomong gimana? Will you? No.
Will you? Aku
Tadi
masih
matiin,
kurang paham.
turn off. Enggak. Will you turn off? Turn off artinya matikan. Will you?
Will you
turn off?
Will you turn off
Turn off the TV?
the TV?
Nah, coba ulangi. Katra ngomongnya. Repeat, ulangi coba. Nabila, can you repeat the sentence? Coba tadi ulangi. Can you repeat, please?
Will you? Tadi apa kak?
Turn off.
Oh iya.
Turn off.
Will you turn
Yeah.
off to?
Will you turn off the TV?
Will you turn off the TV?
Atra?
Yes, I will.
Yes, I will. Okay, thank you. So, will can be used as asking help. Is polite. Itu sopan. Kalau menggunakan kata will itu sopan. But don't forget, jangan lupa if you want to ask someone to do something, you must say please. Kamu harus bilang juga kata please. Jadi for example, will you turn off the TV, please? Nah, please don't forget to say please. Tolong jangan lupa bilang please. If you want to ask someone to do something. Okay, about can and will. Do you have a question? Kamu punya pertanyaan?
No.
No? Gasan? Have you understood about will and can?
Yes. Okay.
Yes. Jadi sekali lagi, will itu digunakan untuk ability. Sorry. Can, it's for ability. Don't forget ability. And ask help. And will, this is for plan or prediction. And also to ask, sorry. Now, will is also to ask help. Don't forget. Okay. Now we will discuss about the question in the quizzes. Jadi setelah ini kita akan bahas pertanyaan-pertanyaan tadi yang ada di quizzes. Oke. This is the question. Jadi ini pertanyaannya. He blah 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 ride a bike because he never learned how. He blah 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 ride a bike because he never learned how. What's in bahasa? Atra, what's in bahasa? Coba itu bahasa Indonesia apa? Atra. Kamu bisa, can you see my share screen? Atra? Hello? Or Gasan? Can you translate the sentence to bahasa?
Ya.
Ya, artinya
Dia
apa sih? Dia
bla 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 mengendarai sepeda karena dia belum mempelajarinya.
Yeah, so the answer is cannot. Dia tidak bisa. He cannot ride a bike because he never learned. Never learned how. The keyword is he never learned how. Dia nggak pernah belajar. Ya, makanya dia pasti nggak bisa. Oke, tadi satu orang yang benar. And the next question, speak up. I blah 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 hear you. Coba, Nabila, can you translate to bahasa? What speak up? Apa speak up artinya? Nabila, do you know the meaning of speak up?
No.
Speak up. Nah, you can remember speak up in bahasa it means bicara. Jadi ngomong atau ngomong yang lebih keras. Speak up. Ngomong. I bla 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 hear you. Hear artinya mendengar. Saya bla 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 mendengar kamu. So, jadi the answer is cannot. Speak up. I cannot hear you. Jadi tolong ngomong yang lebih keras. Saya tidak bisa mendengar kamu. Oke. Next question. Sorry. Nah, Thomas say, what is your ability? Bla bla bla, a horse. Nah, ability dan for ability itu kemampuan. So you must use can. Kamu tentunya memakai kata can. What is your ability? I can a horse. Jadi saya bisa menjadi mengendarai kuda maksudnya. Jadi yang benar jawabannya can. Nah, kalau Mas in bahasa it means harus. Should seharusnya. This is for suggestion, itu untuk saran. May di sini mungkin atau boleh. It is for probability, untuk kemungkinan. So, ability you must use can. Sekali lagi tentang ability, kemampuan, kamu bisa menggunakannya kata can. Nah, next question. Rena can. Nah, ini ada dua. Tidak ada yang jawab benar. Rena can. Nah, ada dua orang yang jawab cooking sama cook. Nah, don't forget, jangan lupa. Model, kalau sebuah model di sini diikutinya menggunakan kata kerja bentuk pertama. Jadi the first of the verb di bagian pertamanya. Rena can cook. Rena can swim. Because kenapa? Kenapa ini kata kerja? Karena di bagian akhirnya in the last sentence there is a word deliciously. Do you know the meaning of deliciously? Coba, kamu tahu arti deliciously apa? Apa Gasan?
Enak.
Iya. Nah, enak. But deliciously. Ada kata li-nya. Nah, it means adverb of manner. Jadi ini kan namanya adalah kata kerja tambahan atau kata sifat tambahan yang menggunakan proses. Ada li. Delicious in bahasa it means enak atau lezat. Nah, if the adjective, jika kata sifatnya followed by li, diikuti dengan li, maka Maka so the meaning artinya dengan enak, dengannya. Dengan enak. Jadi kata di sini adalah kata kerja. Cook is verb. Ingat, cook itu kata kerja, but cooking, nah cooking ini namanya G-round. Kalau dalam bahasa Inggris, in English there are G-round. G-round is verb, but change as noun. Jadi kalau yang cooking ini, dia perannya sebenarnya sebagai kata benda, noun. Kenapa? Karena ditambahin ing. Jadi saya tanya dalam bahasa Indonesia, memasak itu kata kerja atau kata benda? Bahasa
Kerja.
kamu dari bahasa Indonesia. Kata kerja. Kalau masakan? Masakan?
Kata benda.
Kata benda.
Benda.
Nah, itu bedanya kalau yang bahasa Inggris, cooking di sini, masak di sini, cooking kan artinya cooking di sini artinya masak. Nah, di sini perannya dia sebagai kata benda. Jadi sekali lagi, Rena can cook deliciously. Jadi
Putus-putus.
ya sebentar. Jadi sekali lagi, Rena can cook deliciously. Rena bisa memasak dengan enak. Karena di situ kata benda. Nah, kalau yang menggunakan cooking, ini biasanya dalam kata kerja tertentu, misalnya go fishing. Nah, itu harus ada ing-nya. Start. Nah, ini juga sama, pakai ing juga. Start studying. Ada ing-nya. Nah, let's go swimming. Jadi kalau yang go, ini biasanya diakhirinya dengan ing. Itu namanya G-round. Go fishing, start learning. Nah, itu sama, menggunakan ing. Selain digunakan juga sebagai kalimat untuk yang berulang atau sebuah kebiasaan atau yang sedang terjadi. Oke. Sekali lagi tadi jawaban ini cook, tadi nggak ada yang benar ini. Next question. Nah, can you? Nah, ini dua orang benar. Can you drive? Oke, good. Can you drive? Sekali lagi, bentuk kata kerjanya adalah kata kerja dasar. Tanpa ada tambahan to ataupun akhiran ing. Can you drive? Jadi can you swim? Not can you swimming. Jadi bukannya can you swimming, but can you swim? Next question. Nah, ini gampang. I cannot play football. Nah, don't forget. Sekali lagi, jangan lupa selalu bentuk dasar. Baik can, pokoknya yang namanya model. Model ini tadi banyak ada kata di sini tadi kamu belajar tentang can and will. After can and will, it must verb one. Without to infinitive, tanpa adanya to. Or without ended by ing, tanpa diakhiri ing. Jadi can, tadi can play. Sekali lagi ingat ya, kata kerja kata pertama. Okay, next question. I blah blah blah. I skate very well. I skate very well. Penjelasannya show ability. Jadi ini menunjukkan kemampuan. I bla bla bla. I skate very well. Jadi kemampuan itu pakainya can. I skate very well. Nah, will you bla 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 to the party tonight? Nah, saya udah bilang tadi, will juga harus diikuti dengan kata kerja bentuk pertama without to infinitive or without ended by ing. Tanpa ada ing-nya atau depannya pakai to, nggak usah. Jadi cukup come. Will you come to the party tonight? Oke. I can write a novel, but I bla 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 write it now. Sebenarnya ada ambiguity. Ada tapi saya, nah sebenarnya di sini dia maunya menggunakan kata will not. Karena ini untuk rencana. I will not write it now. Jadi dia nggak berencana sekarang, tapi nanti. Makanya jawabannya adalah will not. Walaupun kalau cannot, ingat, cannot ini bisa untuk ability. Sedangkan di sini dia maunya tentang rencana. Jadi menggunakan kata will not. Kenapa pakai not? Karena di sini pakai kata but. But in here as a conjunction, negative conjunction. Jadi but di sini dia sebagai yang negatif sehingga menggunakan not. Oke, I cannot swim, but I bla 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 try. I will try. Saya akan mencoba. I cannot swim. Saya tidak bisa berenang, but I will try. Saya akan mencoba. Next question. My mother will. Nah, tadi will, ingat will. Bentuk pertamanya cook. Will cook. Not will to cook or will cooking. Tapi benar will cook. I will not, sama ini. I will not the present until her birthday tomorrow. Sama give karena bentuk pertamanya. My grandmother is not home today. So I will not. I will not because not home. Jadi my grandmother, neneknya, nenek saya is not home. Jadi nggak ada di rumah. So I will not. Saya tidak akan come to her house. Datang ke rumahnya. Next. Nah ini blah 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 cook better than my sister. I used to help my mother then. I blah 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 cook. Nah, it is about ability because the next word is better than my sister. Better dia lebih baik daripada kakak perempuanku atau saudara perempuanku. Better. Nah, ini berarti tentang kemampuan, lebih baik. So you must choose can. Jadi kamu pilihnya can. Shiti can play football, but she will not. Dia tidak akan. Nah, tadi play juga. Ingat, bentuk pertamanya play. Oke, we have 5 minutes more. Kita punya 5 menit lagi. Now, please replay. Sekali lagi, replay. Kita main lagi yang quizzes yang tadi. 5 menit lagi, jadi pengen tahu ada perbaikan atau tidak. Sekali lagi, please replay. Bermain lagi tentang yang tadi. Saya akan kirim linknya lagi. Oke, please replay. Main lagi. Pertanyaan sama, the same question, but you must choose the answer correctly. Kamu harus dengan benar harusnya. Kata Yuda. Coba ya, tadi skor yang tadi udah ada, coba pengen tahu. Oke, are you ready? Oke. Let's play. He, tadi apa jawabannya? He will ride the bike. Don't forget, ability pakainya can. Oke, semua benar. Mantap. Semuanya benar. He cannot. Good. Next. Speak up. I. Oke. Ada yang lupa tadi. Ingat tadi pakai kata cannot karena speak up, suruh ngomong. Apa-apa. Ingat, ability pakainya oke, saya kita benar semua. Can. Rena, can. Ingat tadi, bentuknya harus kata kerja pertama. Rena can, Rena bisa. Oke, semuanya benar. Good. Oke, good. Next question. Yeah. Ingat, ability. Very well, dengan sangat baik, makanya ini tentang ability. Oke, benar juga. Yes. Very quick, cepet banget. Ya, benar semua. Will you come? I can write a novel, but Ya, benar semua. Good. Read the sentence clearly. Coba baca kalimatnya dengan jelas. Jadi maknanya apa? I cannot swim. Saya nggak bisa berenang. But bla bla I try. Saya mencoba. My mother will. Okay, it's very easy. Benar semua. Okay, the last. Okay, thank you for playing the quizzes. There are improvement, ada perbaikan. Jadi ada peningkatan dari yang tadi. Jadi alhamdulillah. Okay. I think it's enough for today. Saya pikir cukup untuk hari ini. Or can you turn on the camera? Sorry, can you turn on your camera? Because I will take a photo. Atra, Nabila, can you turn on your camera? Atra?
Bentar, Kak.
Okay. I will count 1, 2, 3. Okay. Enough? So this our the last lesson for tonight, di pelajaran terakhir kita untuk hari ini. Don't forget to speak English. Jangan lupa untuk ngomong bahasa Inggris. Pede aja. Tadi kamu udah bisa kan can, will, pakai. Because English is behavior. Karena bahasa itu adalah kebiasaan. Kalau nggak dibiasain, kamu nggak bisa-bisa. Semua orang bisa ngomong bahasa Inggris. No itu bahasa Inggris juga. Jadi no itu bukan bahasa Indonesia, tapi bahasa Inggris. Jadi semua orang, everyone can speak English. Sekali lagi, you can and you will. Kamu bisa dan kamu akan. Okay, thank you for tonight. I'm so sorry if I have mistake. Thank you for your attention. Wabillahi taufiq wa hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Good night.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.